Hello everyone, my name is Manoj and I'm going to demonstrate you that how we can use ChatGPT or OpenAI that we say. You might have heard that word. We use information, we need information for many research work, for project activity practicals, and we get it from Google. But Google is a search engine and Google only shows us that where we can get that information. ChatGPT is a whole different thing. So I'm not going through how does it work and all this. I'm going to show you that how we have to use it and which type of information we will get through it. Let us go to the screen. Okay, so here we are on the screen. Open your browser. Go to the Google bar. Search bar, in that search ChatGPT sign up. First website showing OpenAI. Click on that. Now log in and sign up. If you are a user, so you need to log in. If you are new and you try to sign in up, so in that case click on sign up. So two things you need to have to use that OpenAI. First is your email and then another one is a mobile number. Because okay, so let us go through the process. So let us see that I have that email ID, continue, and then password. So password, then when I hit here continue, so it shows that the user already exists. That means I am a user using that email ID. Further, so what will happen when you will do this? So when you will hit continue button, so next one box will be there. So input, in that input box, the system will ask you for the mobile verification number. So see, so it is just a simple mobile number we have to put. OTP will be sent to you. So you need to put there, and of course you will get a new user login. Here I have a shortcut for that. Now this is what the first interface you will see when you will log in. Now this bar shows that here we have to write the prompt and all these things that we want to see. We want to find information about the things. Examples are given here. For example, explain quantum computing in simple term like this. This query or question that we put, it is called prompt, smart prompt, and there are many things also. Of course you will research about this if you have little more interest of that. I'm just demonstrating that how easily we can use it. Whenever we type it very correctly, specific things are given. Even to chat gpt we can ask that how we can use you effectively. Okay, so it is already showing about itself that how we can use it. See, be specific. Okay, so just a demonstration I'm giving you. So all this information automatically we get. I'm not doing anything. I'm just reclining to the chair and sitting back, and then see the information we are getting. Generated information we are getting, generated response. So now if I would have asked same question but like this, tell me in table form how effectively we can use you. See in the table form now. See, all these things are given that what we have to do, a specific thing we need to ask. Natural language, any language we can use, of course. Experimentation or clarifications, that means whatever the question of query we will be asking, so that must be very specific, clear to the system, so that we can get the information. For example, some of the things here, these are the prompts or searches that I have done already, so we can go through it, or otherwise I will ask some another thing also. For example, let us consider one information, a book of 250 page we read and we get information. But what if we use this AI to summarize the book? Okay, uh, explain okay, explain 10 important, okay, sorry about my typing, important uh, key points of a book. Let us say think and grow rich. and see what happen. So AI system that it knows for, see everything is there, a very useful 10 summarized points, key points we are getting here automatically, no need to do anything, but it is not that up to the mark. Okay, suppose these are the points we get. See, this is me, and this is me, and this is AI. Okay, giving me a response, just a question I'm asking. Same question I would be asking if I would have asked same question like this. Explain 10 important key points of a book Think and Grow Rich in table form, and see what happened. So AI system forming the table already, and the key points here we can see. So all these, anything we can do, anything. So just the query or the question that you are asking, that must be very clear and genuine. It is up to you that how creative you are asking, how creative you are. Anything you can ask. Okay, about the history, about the science, let us ask about a science that uh, explain uh, explain explain about about elasticity. What is happening here? Elasticity in tabular form or table form, that is okay. See, elasticity, definition, type, formula. Okay, if you want to ask any question about the mathematics, okay, now one more important thing, that it has its memory. That means it can memorize the last question that we ask. For example, let me give you demonstration. uh, Compute uh, compound interest, compound interest on 20,000 or 20k, in short 20,000 at the rate of 1% for 1 year. See, I'm asking for 1 year. Okay, what happened? It is computing the formula. See, keep note that I ask it for 1 year only. So for in 1 year, 20,000 turn into 20,200 rupees for 1 year. See, 1 year here, 1 year. Now no need to put this message. Just from that point I will ask another question for 5 years. See now, same information, and then for 5 years. That means last question or last query that I ask it, it memorized, and from that very point it started computing, right? So it is 21,048.03 rupees. Okay, now first for 50 years, and then for the 50 years. So anything we can say, it is up to us that how clearly and effectively we are asking. It is just a kind of a robot. So 20,000 turn into 67,270.75.76 rupees in next 50 years will be, right? So this is how we can use. It is up to us that how it has many other functions also. For example, comparison of things. See, pros first, 5 days, and then cons. So it is up to us that how clearly we are asking question. It is all here. So this is all about ChatGPT or OpenAI. So I hope you enjoy this video. It is very useful if we use it in a certain way. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share my video. For more information you can comment. Thank you so much for watching.